This video I'm going to show you how to add a subtitle to your video, just like exactly what you are seeing now, so that anything you are saying is going to show on the screen of your video. So enjoy me in this tutorial. So before we dive in, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like and share this video, so that others will get to see this video. So go to your CapCut app, click on a new project. So what you are going to do is for you to go and import that video that you want to add a subtitle to. So you click on the video and you add. So if you want to add the subtitle to your video, what you need to do is you click on text, then you click on auto caption. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Now for you to be able to do this, you must have the Pro plan. So if you don't have access to the CapCut Pro plan, just comment Pro plan on the comment section. I'm going to give you access to the Pro plan. You cannot do this with the free plan, the free updated plan. So I'm going to be giving you access to the Pro plan. So just comment Pro on the comment section, then I'll give you access to it. So you scroll and select the one you want to use. So let's say we want to make use of this one, then you click on it. So then you click on start. Make sure that this is on this place. Or if you want to do the caption from, maybe you do a voiceover and you want to get the caption from your voiceover, then you click on this one. So you click on start. So it's going to start counting. So you wait until you count to 100, then it will automatically generate the caption for you. Alright, so it has counted to 100, so it has generated the caption for me. So if I play the video now, you will see that it has generated the caption for me. So I can still do more editing if I want to do more editing. So if I want to do more editing on the caption, I will just click on the caption. Maybe I want to make it to be bold, then I will go and drag it and make it to be bold. I can take it to any position of my choice. If I want to change the color, I will click on style, then I can change the font. I can do any change anything I want to change from inside. Maybe I don't like that font again, I can just select another one. Or I can change the color. If I want to change the color, I'll click on font, and I can select any font of my choice. Style, then I can change the color. So depend on what you want. Once you are done, click on mark good. Then if you play it, so you can see it now. So this is how to add a subtitle to your video. So if you got value for this video, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. I also make sure that you like and share this video, so that others will get to see this video.